Today, we want to talk about something that a lot of guys struggle with: starting conversations with women. Whether it's at a bar, a party, or even just on the street, it can be tough to know how to approach a woman and start a conversation without coming off as creepy or desperate. But don't worry, this video will be able to help you out. We're going to share some tips and tricks for how to start a conversation with a woman in a way that's confident, casual, and most importantly, respectful. So let's get started. Number 1. Find something in common. Yes, finding something in common is a great way to start a conversation with a woman. It helps to break the ice and make the conversation feel more natural. When you find something that you both have in common, it gives you a starting point for the conversation and can lead to more in-depth discussions. For example, if you're at a party and you notice that the woman you want to talk to is wearing a shirt with a band logo on it, you can ask her if she's a fan of the band and what her favorite song is. This can lead to a conversation about music, the band, and even concerts or music festivals you've been to. Number 2. Ask her opinion. Show interest in her by asking for her opinion on something you're genuinely interested in. Asking for someone's opinion is a great way to show interest in them because it demonstrates that you value their thoughts and perspective. When you ask for someone's opinion, make sure you are genuinely interested in what they have to say and be sure to listen attentively to their response. This will help to create a deeper connection between the two of you and show that you care about and respect their point of view. Number 3. Be confident. Stand up straight, make eye contact, and speak clearly. Remember that you are valuable and interesting. Having a good sense of self-worth and self-esteem will help you to feel more confident in your interactions with others. When you believe in yourself, it shows through in your words, actions, and body language. When interacting with others, focus on your positive traits and remember that you have something unique to offer. Number 4. Listen actively. When you actively listen to a woman, you are showing her that you are genuinely interested in what she has to say and that you value her thoughts and opinions. This can help to build trust and rapport and make the conversation more engaging and enjoyable for both parties. You can show active listening by maintaining eye contact, nodding your head, and asking follow-up questions. Ask open-ended questions that encourage her to share more about herself and her interests. Avoid interrupting her or thinking about your response while she is speaking. Avoid making assumptions or jumping to conclusions based on what you think she is saying. Number 5. Be respectful. Respect her boundaries by not invading her personal space or making her feel uncomfortable. Ask for her consent before initiating a conversation or touch. Don't be pushy or insistent if she doesn't want to talk to you or is not interested in the conversation. Respect her right to say no and to end the conversation at any time. Don't make assumptions about her or her interests based on her appearance or any other superficial characteristics. Number 6. Be yourself. Be genuine and true to who you are, rather than pretending to be someone else in order to impress others. This is particularly important when starting conversations with women, as trying to be someone you're not can come across as insincere and may make it more difficult to build a connection. Instead, be authentic and let your true personality shine through. Number 7. Be positive. Positive comments can include complimenting someone on their appearance or praising something they have done. A smile, meanwhile, can be a nonverbal way to show that you are friendly and approachable. When you start a conversation with a positive remark or a smile, you set the tone for the rest of the interaction. People are more likely to respond positively when they feel like the person they are talking to is happy and friendly. Additionally, starting a conversation with a positive remark or a smile can help to put the other person at ease and make them more likely to open up and engage in the conversation. Number 8. Be humorous. Humor can be a great way to break the ice and make a conversation more enjoyable when talking to women. A well-timed joke or clever comment can help to lighten the mood and make the other person feel more at ease. However, it's important to use humor in an appropriate way and not at the expense of others. Avoid making jokes that might be offensive or hurtful, as this can quickly sour the conversation. Instead, try to find things that you both find funny and use them as a way to connect. Humor can also come from observations of the current situation or from your own quirks or experiences. Number 9. Be open-minded. When you approach a conversation with an open-minded attitude, you create a space where the other person person feels heard, respected, and valued. It allows for a more authentic and meaningful conversation where both parties can share their thoughts and feelings in a safe and non-judgmental environment. And there you have it, guys. A few tips for how to start a conversation with a woman in a way that's confident, casual, and respectful. Remember, the most important thing is to be yourself and to approach the conversation with a mindset that you're just looking to make a new friend. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the new videos that come out that are all just for you. See you in the next video.